Hello Taurus, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is Taurus for July 8th to July the 10th. No? Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe na po tayo doon sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. So yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano po? So, nagla-live nga po tayo doon, pero kung hindi nyo naaabutan yung live, no, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Ano po? So, Taurus, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, no? So, Taurus, ang nakikita ko dito, bakit parang sabihin natin, whether this is you or your person, what I'm reading here is the dynamic, ano po, and yung nangyayari sa situation. Meron ditong nagdesisyon na sabing ganito ay, I think it's time for me to go. No, I think it's much better to leave the person behind, you know. So merong separations, whether it is physical or energetic. But I feel like kung sino itong taong umalis, no, parang ngayon, kinakatok yung kanyang puso, no? Sinasabi niya sa sarili niya, parang kailangan ko yata, parang mali yung decision kong umalis, parang kailangan ko yata yung person ko, no? I'm truly missing my person, hindi ko ngayon alam kung paano bumalik. I feel like ito yung sinabi nating padalos-dalos na decision making, no, Taurus. Ngayon, nung nag-journey na siya mag-isa, so nung una, at first, syempre, akala niya masaya, no? Ganun naman talaga kapag you make a decision, especially no, kapag bago pa lang yung decision making, you're going to really enjoy kasi nasunod yung gusto mo. Pero as time passes by, ang nakikita ko dito, parang medyo nararamdaman niya yung bagot, nararamdaman niya yung longing, no, doon sa kanyang person. I think that there's something in here na to a point na napapanaginipan pa niya, no, itong person niya. Wrong decision, I feel like, kasi either merong third party or may kalandian, no. They may not have a relationship, but I feel like somewhat, no, naging para silang secret lover, kumbaga, no. What I'm also seeing in here is chances are, no, natukso itong person na ito dahil nagkaroon ng sexual, no, relationship, or that's the worst part, no. Yung medyo mild nito is yung talagang naglalantian sila and talagang na-hooked, no, itong person na ito. So, the way for this person to do everything na walang balakid is humiwalay. I think that the relationship that they chose, napaka-panandalian, sobrang sandali lang. No, kung salitang kalye, ito yung pangtanggal kate, no. So, baling-mali kasi doon niya nakita na parang wala dito yung love, no. It may have the passion that I think, no, na inaakala ko, pero hindi niya na papantayan, no, itong yung satisfaction when it comes to my heart's happiness, no. Pwedeng yung katawan ko masaya pero yung puso ko hindi, di ba? I want to clarify the Two of Swords in here kasi parang nananahimik lang yung naiwan, no. Yung naiwan medyo malungkot din naman, of course, kapag iniwan ka, alam naman Bunika, no? With the six of vessels. Apologies, six of vessels. So sobrang nami-miss na seven of staves pero in reverse. Siguro hiyang-hiya ito kaya hindi makalapit, no? Well, kung ikaw ba naman ang nang iwan at wala namang ginagawang masama sa'yo, tapos nalaman mo mali pala ang decision mo, this is understandable, no? At hindi rin understandable yung lalapit ka, ikaw na yung nang iwan. Aba, ang tigas, ang tindi mo naman no, no? Sabihin ko tigas ng mukha. Yun, so parang gano'n na nga. To a point na parang kinokonsensya, no? Or kinokonsensya or nakokonsensya na siya. So, hindi dahil sa sabon na gamit niya. That's, I think, too old joke, no? Lumabas tuloy yung edad ko. Well, you know. Kaedad kita pag nalaman mo yung sinabi ko, no? So, nakokonsensya itong taong ito hanggang sa panaginip, no? And I think na nagkaroon ito ng problema dun sa pinili niyang ka-relationship. But it also makes me feel na ang nakakahiyang humingi ng tulong. Ganun ba yung talaga kapag nandun ka na sa bingit ng you're in your rock bottom, no? Tapos hindi ka naman tinutulungan ng pinili mo, bigla mong may isip ngayon, what if kaya kung si Taurus yung kasama ko, no? So, it kind of make me feel na merong needs, of course, but I think that is the ruling of life, or that's how life goes, no? Someone already learned their lesson well. I also want to clarify, kasi hindi siya makagawa ng moves dito kahit gusto-gusto niya eh. No? Kumbaga, yung hiya, yun talaga yung nagbo-block for them to make a move. But let's check here the reverie, because it kind of make me feel like I want to jump not into something na yung parang nagsusumamo, no? Yung bait-baitan, makukuha ba ito ng bait-baitan lang, no? Taurus, let's clarify the reverie. So this is Page and Staves in reverse and a Knight of Pentacles in reverse. So, it kind of make me feel like natapos na siya sa pag-check, no? Or pag-keeping tabs on you, yung titingin-tingin ng social media or pagtatanong-tanong. Knight of Pentacles kasi is there's no movement, pero it is in reverse. I think that this person is just charging their courage, no? Or baka pinapakapal pa niya talaga yung mukha niya. Naggalit ako. Pinapakapal pa niya talaga yung mukha niya para at least paglapit niya sa'yo, no? Kasi gagawa ito ng way whether you are going to reject me or not. At least I tried. Well, sana nagamit niya yun sa magandang bagay, no? Itong taong to napaka somewhat selfish, if I may say, kasi kung ano yung gusto niya gagawin niya. So ang gusto niya ngayon is magkaayos kayo and kausapin ka. I think that this person is going to really make a move anytime soon. Chances are around the 25th or the 26th of this month. Pero ang nakikita ko, nandito na siya sa mga sabihin nating yung may push na ng pakikipagkasundo no? May push na rin ng kababaan ng loob. So let's just wait, no? I think that this person is going to really apologize. So Taurus, this is your reading again. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto niyo po na dalawang reading sa akin doon po sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa live sessions, kasi doon lang po ako nagla-live, you may want to join. No? You're very much welcome. Kung hindi niyo po yung naaabutan, pwede kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung feeling nyo hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po there is a link. All you have to do is to either click the link or copy the link. You're gonna be routed to my website or web page. No? Nandun po yung information, how much per question, the QR codes, the mode of payment, no? And I also created a discounted price of 4 questions plus 1. And if you also want to book a private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box. So Taurus, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po, no, sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.